Anycubic Kobra S1, retraction abnormal, or any related problem with filament not extruding, print not starting. What you want to check first is if there is a filament in the tube which is going to the printhead. In this case, we see that there is nothing inside. Now we want to go on the back side where the buffer is, and you can see that we have one tube with the filament inside. On the top of the filament buffer, we also see that there is a filament in the tube, so we want to get it out. The first thing which you want to do to release the filament tube, you want to press the desired tube clip to the top like this, and with the other hand pull the tube down, with other hand holding the clip to the top like this, and you pull the tube down right now. You can see how the filament stuck inside. Pull it out. In this case, the filament was just stuck in the filament hub. You can also remove the filament buffer and clean it if this problem persists. Usually when this happens, you can also try and pull the filament like this manually. You can see that it is going into the tube without any problem. So it was just stuck, which is the minor problem. The major problem is when you do this manual pulling and see that filament is not moving. That basically means that the filament broke somewhere, so you need to pull out all the parts. So check everything, check from the printhead, follow the filament tube all the way down to the Ace Pro unit. Subscribe for more videos. See ya.